Hello, Perma people! Today, we're literally switching things on, as this chapter is all about energy. Where does it come from, how it's produced, and the way we use it. Energy, in today's world, is actually shaping our future as we try to generate more and more since we constantly need more of it. And the way we're doing it is from fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, something that is causing massive harm in many ways. It's extensively heating up the planet while polluting our air and water. Climate change, rising energy prices, and fragile global supply chains have made it painfully clear our current energy system is broken. But it's not too late to change, and this is what we will find out in today's episode through powerful examples. Renewables are the cornerstone of a sustainable energy future. So, let's take a better look at them. Our sun provides more energy in 1 hour than the entire world uses in a year. Solar panels on rooftops and solar farms in deserts are right now transforming how we harvest that massive power. One impressive example is the Zonne-op-Zee project in the Netherlands, the world's first offshore solar farm built in open sea. Designed to maximize solar energy on water, this project shows how innovation and necessity go hand in hand when actual land is limited. Also, clean, efficient, and increasingly cost-effective wind turbines are popping up from coast to farmland, as wind generates a significant share of electricity in many countries today. Finally, these water-based energy sources are also being redesigned with ecosystems in mind, adding value to the renewable mix. All of these technologies have the potential to change our world and create a better future for everyone. Switching to renewables, though, is only one part of the solution. We also need to use less energy and use it wisely. This is where energy efficiency comes in. Buildings that are designed to retain heat in winter and stay cool in summer use far less energy to stay comfortable. This is called passive design, and it's not something from the future. It's happening right now. In Austria, the Sunlight House in Pressbaum is a single-family home that produces more energy than it consumes. Thanks to solar panel, natural lighting, smart design, and efficient insulation, it's both comfortable and carbon neutral. But even without building a new home, there are many things we can actually do. First, to turn off lights and appliances when not in use, while using LED bulbs and energy-efficient devices, insulate our windows and walls or choose renewable energy providers when available. Saving energy is one of the easiest and fastest ways to reduce emissions. We often think of energy as something invincible, something that just appears when we flip a switch. But every watt comes from somewhere, and our own choices affect the whole system. Permaculture invites us to think about energy holistically. That means not only choosing renewable sources and designing efficient systems, but also asking ourselves what we really need. Do we need 24/7 streaming? Can we walk instead of driving? Can we collaborate with neighbors on shared solutions like community solar or energy co-ops? One of the most exciting developments in recent years is the rise of energy communities, where people are coming together to produce, manage, and share renewable energy locally. This model empowers its citizens and keeps the benefits within the community. A great example is RES COOP, a European Federation of Citizen Energy Cooperatives. They help local groups across Europe set up democratic, decentralized energy systems. Because when people take control of their energy, they start rethinking ownership inside the economy. Energy communities are not just about panels and wind turbines. They're the first step in reimagining our economic systems to be far more resilient. Energy, exactly like food, where we saw in a previous episode, can and should be shared between all of us. Small actions add up, and when they're guided by conscious design, they can change the world. Here's a challenge. Look around your home, school, or workplace and track the spots where energy is being used. Which appliances or systems use the most power? Are lights or devices left on unnecessarily? Could you make simple changes to reduce usage? Create a list of actions you could take, like switching to LEDs, unplugging chargers, or insulating windows. And then share your brilliant ideas using the hashtag PermaYouth. Energy is more than a commodity. It's a constant flow that powers every part of our lives, and we cannot ignore where it comes from or how we use it. With renewable energy and smart designs, we can build a world that runs on clean, abundant, shared power. So, let's power it together, and until next time, stay curious and connected to nature.